Where we at, Pause?
UST 2023.
Wow.
Uh-oh. No, I got him.
And then can you come through this little tiny little thing? Gosh. That is such an incredible truck. Tell us about what happened last time you were here.
I toppled, and then the truck toppled too.
I thought it was the one that had the zip line.
Tell them how you toppled.
I did like the first 2 feet, and as I was walking down this, I stumbled, and then the truck also stumbled off the edge.
Oh man. All right, I think I'm stuck. I'm not gonna make it up this. Winch time. Tricky.
I don't think so.
She starts rolling, boy. She's heavy. Small increment. A bottle of shark oil is cheap.
Really? Got it. I mean, you
Tumble, tumble, tumble. You're just such a close driver, Aaron.
landed.
Great success.
Whoa, that's awesome. Woo!
Yeah.
Hey, that is freaking cool, man. Wow.
What you doing, Daddy?
Oh, hey, not much. It is February 2023, and we're hanging out at Ultimate Scale Truck Expo, Williston, Florida. As you can see, we've had a little bit of rain. It's happened, hit us a little bit, but we're persevering. A lot of people left. We're still finishing up. Got about 10 minutes left to finish Trail 2. Tiny trucks for life, man. You ready for the drive-in? You ready for the drive?
Yeah, let's go.
You
It's
cold?
gonna be great. Yep, freezing. Yep.
You ready to race? All right.
Got it again.
Yep.
That way it's
Get
not
on.
gonna work.
On your marks. Get set.
No.
Oh. Jump the gun. That's a 3-second penalty.
That one tree branch is gonna be trimmed.
You got the. Jump the gun.
What you doing, Paws?
I'm fixing up this gatekeeper.
When we get a gatekeeper?
We got it today, and we're gonna swap the tires out and mod it so we can fit a big battery in it on the trails.
Nice. We're gonna trail it today?
Yeah.
What do you think about that, Ian?
Hell yes!
Ian Anderson.
Super excited
YouTube,
about that.
Ian Anderson. We're ready to rock, man. Ultimate Scale Truck Expo 2023. There's a little pack of stuff that we have here. Keep taking a video, Ian.
When you drove by, like, you could put a little smoke machine in there. And
It
have
did.
smoke
It has
come
it.
out.
I'm out of fluid.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh,
You got it already.
And then I got the sound box coming for the diesel sound and the Dixie horns.
Ah, man, that thing's so cool.
Oh, this thing is awesome. I can't wait to get the actuators to lift the flatbed up. Oh man, I'm not kidding.